The new 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT, a grand touring machine that's rewriting the rules for luxury, performance, and innovation. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips or just love the thrill of high-end engineering, this is a motorcycle that demands your attention. Striking new design with aerodynamic elegance. Honda has refined the iconic Goldwing silhouette with a more aggressive and aerodynamic edge. The 2025 Goldwing GCT features a slimmer profile, reworked front fairing, and newly integrated LED lighting that enhances visibility and presence. The GCT variant also introduces exclusive color schemes, premium paint finishes, and updated body panels that blend function with luxury. Power that glides. At the heart of the Goldwing GCT lies Honda's signature 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, now retuned for smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. It delivers over 125 horsepower and a torque curve made for long-distance cruising. Paired with the latest 7-speed DCT, dual-clutch transmission, the GCT offers buttery-smooth shifting and an optional manual override for riders who want total control. Next-level touring comfort. Comfort has always been the Goldwing's top priority, and the GCT takes it further. The seat has been redesigned for longer rides, featuring advanced memory foam and built-in heating and cooling options. The pillion seat is now wider and more supportive, making sure passengers enjoy the ride as much as the rider. Honda's electronically adjustable suspension adapts in real time to changing road conditions, giving the Goldwing GCT a magic carpet ride across any terrain. Tech-forward cockpit experience. Inside the cockpit, the 2025 GCT features a fully digital 10.25-inch TFT display with updated Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and new voice control functionality. The infotainment system is more responsive, with built-in navigation, Bluetooth, and a premium 6-speaker surround system that turns the ride into a concert on wheels. Add in a smart key system, ride modes, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot detection, and you've got one of the most intelligent motorcycles on the road. Safety meets innovation. Honda has doubled down on safety with the Goldwing GCT. New radar-based adaptive cruise control helps maintain safe following distances automatically, while the enhanced ABS, traction control, and hill start assist work seamlessly in the background. A redesigned airbag system is also available in higher trims, reinforcing the GCT's commitment to rider protection. Storage and utility upgraded. Storage capacity has been increased with larger side panniers and a revised top box, offering over 60 liters of space. Honda also introduced a hands-free trunk opening mechanism and additional USB-C ports throughout the cockpit. The GCT is ready to handle both your tech gear and long-haul essentials. Final thoughts: the future of touring. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT isn't just another update, it's a full evolution of what a luxury touring bike can be. With its balance of power, comfort, and smart technology, it sets a new benchmark for grand touring motorcycles. Whether you're a seasoned rider or stepping into the world of long-distance biking, the GCT delivers a ride that's both exhilarating and effortless. Outro: subscribe for more. Thanks for watching Bike Update. If you want more reviews, comparisons, and motorcycle news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Ride smart, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.